Are you a healthcare trainee or student who has had to raise a concern whilst working in a practice learning environment or placement? At HEIW, or Health Education Improvement Wales, we recognise that speaking up can be really difficult. So for this reason, we are developing a toolkit to support healthcare students throughout the whole process of raising concerns. However, we need to make sure that the toolkit's fit for purpose and it actually reflects the experiences of you all as healthcare trainees. So we'd like to offer you the opportunity to contribute to this important resource and share your stories with us, whether that would be a positive story or a more challenging encounter. So if you'd like to contribute to the development of the toolkit and would like to help current and future students, then I'd love to hear from you. All participants will also receive a certificate that will evidence your involvement in the toolkit. So for more information, you can email me, Trisha Brown, my details are on the screen, or you can click on the link for more information. Thank you.